Are you tired of spending hours juggling multiple tools just to get your blog online? Does setting up your blog feel like assembling a never-ending production with endless steps and constant frustration? If you're fed up with wasting time and energy on complicated blogging setups, you're not alone. Meet BuildFast, the ultimate solution that transforms your Notion pages into a professional SEO-optimized blog in minutes. Imagine converting your Notion content into a beautiful, fully customizable blog with just one click. With BuildFast, it's as simple as copy, paste, and publish. No coding required. BuildFast key features. Effortless conversion. Instantly turn your Notion pages into stunning blog posts. SEO optimization. Boost your Google rankings with built-in SEO settings. Customizable design. Choose from multiple templates and personalize your blog's look. Easy hosting. Publish on your own custom domain with a single click. Integrated newsletter. Grow your audience with built-in newsletter and lead capture tools. How BuildFast works. Duplicate your Notion link. BuildFast automatically converts your content. 2. Customize your blog's design. Adjust colors, fonts, and themes effortlessly. 3. Publish with one click. Your blog is now live, optimized, and ready for visitors. Who needs BuildFast? Authors, bloggers, and content creators who want to publish quickly. Small businesses looking to create a professional blog without technical headaches. Anyone using Notion who wants to maximize their content's reach. Notion sites are great for general-purpose websites, but they lack the essential features needed for a seamless blogging experience. That's where BuildFast.blog comes in. Unlike generic Notion sites, BuildFast is laser-focused on blogging, giving you the tools you need to publish, customize, and optimize your blog effortlessly. With advanced UI customization, built-in SEO tools, easy domain integration, and an integrated newsletter system, BuildFast gives you everything required to run a professional blog without any technical hurdles. If you want a true blogging platform with all the features you need, BuildFast.blog is the smarter choice. Limited time deal, act fast. Get BuildFast for a one-time payment of just $49. 90% off. Regular price, $468. Lifetime access, with all future updates included. Don't waste any more time on complicated blog setups. Start your blogging journey effortlessly with BuildFast today. Check the description below to grab your exclusive BuildFast lifetime deal now.